That's someone at least.
Yeah, you can spawn now. Ah, it's pushed me out the way. Everyone's in front of me, Brent. This probably won't work.
I can lay down.
Yeah, everyone just get out of the way. It's moved me though completely.
Lay down, guys. Then they can make it.
You guys need to get out of the way also, I think.
Yeah?
I
can't get out of the way.
No, not now.
Kill yourself.
That's right, don't worry. Don't worry.
Matt is jumping on my head.
Just fire if you kill us and we're dead. Don't worry. Okay, I'm moving quickly to C and B.
I'm on C. You can run directly to B.
Okay. Let's do this. Let's give.
Or I could go B. Doesn't matter. Yeah, I'll go B.
Count out everything you have.
Got it. 2 of them.
Nice.
Nice!
One is still alive, huh?
Nice.
I'm on B.
Ah, he's headshotted. He's over by A.
Come on, let's grab us points, mates. No one did take
Took
Charlie.
Charlie!
Oh, wow.
Bloody hell!
Why not? I mean...
I'm dead on Charlie.
They're in yard. Moving to B.
I'm going to A.
One at the gate, or in grey.
Got one on A. Scheiße, one more on A. That's it! Come on guys, let's move over to Charlie, that's the easiest.
Yep, moving. One end of the street.
Yep, moving off. He's moving
Baker
off behind walls.
Down, Baker.
Behind walls he is, waiting, and he got me. Woo!
Oh, on the roof. Grey roof.
Losing B. Boarding on Charlie. Fuck, I'm nearly dead. Oh, I'm dead.
Das gibt's überhaupt nicht, ey. Der killt uns beide sowas von leicht. Zack, die Bohne weg. Na gut. GER. Na wunderbar. Spielt für Team Deutschland. Da brauchen wir uns nicht wundern.
Oh man.
Shit.
Natürlich immer einer hinter mir.
Ah, it fucking hit me.
I'm doing positive, guys.
Hey! Party!
Need health. Someone drop health.
Come on, get C.
Health.
Yeah.
And B.
Sorry. I'm
Brent.
yeah.
Thanks, mate.
I'm running over to Baker, mate.
Outside, Brent. Coming in.
Yeah, that's
Hey,
Making
wake
B.
up, you were poked by
Hold
TFC
Charlie, hold
asterisk
Charlie, don't listen
dark.
to Charlie.
Ammo.
Yeah, go to Charlie, mates.
Ah, coming up the stairs, Brent.
Oh, I'm dead. They're coming
I'm
to
already
B.
dead.
Ey, das war Instant Shot while CB. Manometer.
There are always two. I'm never running alone.
But they are in one spot, or do they have separate spots? Oh,
No, they move on.
one roof, several roofs, whatever.
Ah! Fucking! Didn't hit him on the reload. Who's eating his microphone?
Me.
No, not me.
One of Baker.
Come on, we need fucking one base.
I'll go
Guys,
A. There's no
what
one
are you
there, I
doing
think.
for noises here?
I mean, why are we not trying to gather one base? And we cannot win this match, obviously. So let's get some points.
Oh, one base doesn't give you points.
No.
Doesn't?
No.
Only
Nope.
two?
No.
Yeah.
Only two.
Fuck.
Or kills.
Yes.
Yeah, we could try kills, but it's also hard.
But we did more than 8 kills and they just lose 8 tickets. How is that possible?
Reviving.
But the ticket isn't counted.
Oh my god, you still got me.
Ah, that's unbelievable.
Okay, we
goodness.
have 2 flags
Thumbs up.
almost.
We have 2 flags, hold A!
Losing A.
And
was
getting
coming in
sandwiched
C.
like hell.
Push B.
Nope.
No one there on B anymore. Hallo, ich bin's doch nur.
Printer, printer.
What?
You did positive.
Collision C.
It was a nice time.
There's 2 guys on the roof and still somebody on the flags.
Fight Charlie mates, come on guys, let's grab that one back and then we move on. On the roof near Charlie.
This load ram guy's unbelievable.
Yeah, you're good, isn't he?
Fucking hell.
She's als Erster.
Come outside of us. Oh, fucking hell.
No!
Oh, fucking.
Can't even camp them
Load
out.
ram. Maya. Well, at least we made it by 2 tickets.
10 fucking tickets.
And killed again! Right on the spot. Fuck!
Need to reload sometimes, guys.
I don't need to reload. Most of the time I'm dead before I get
Yeah.
the magazine. Hey,
That's a
getting
good
shot
shot.
from miles away.
Oh, he was here.
Behind LA side, 2 guys. They're blocking off everything at the moment. You need to be random with guys.
I'm on B, but I'm dead.
I'm laying by the shed, if that counts. Come on, guys, if we take one more ticket. Oh, there we go, one ticket. We're done. We done it. We took 1 ticket.
I killed one twice. So, I'm dead.
Load ram just spawned on Martin.
Yes! Another kill! Ah.
Hey, we made 1 more ticket in the last round. Woohoo!
Brent, you're nearly square on a 1 ratio.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Just
I
have
made
to
a kill.
celebrate every kill.
I made a kill. Oh, Matt.
Wat een shitter.
I have